How to draw Texas. We are going to start by drawing a backwards L near the top left of our page. Then from the bottom left of that L, we are going to draw a wavy line that goes diagonally downwards. For most of the lines that we are going to draw for the border of Texas, they are going to be a little bit wavy because the border is not perfectly straight all around. Then connecting to the bottom of that, we are going to draw an upside down U. Then from the right side of that upside down U, we are going to draw a line going diagonally downwards, and again it's not going to be a perfect straight line, it's going to be a little curved. For the next step, we are going to go back to the top where we drew the backwards L, and we are going to draw a straight line from the top of the L going to the right. This is one of the few lines that is actually going to be straight. Then we are going to draw another straight line going down from the right side of that one. This line will be pretty short. Awesome job! Now we're going to get back to drawing our imperfect lines for the rest of the border of Texas. We are going to draw a wavy line going towards the right from the line that we just finished drawing. This line is going to start slanting downwards as we continue drawing it. Awesome job! Our drawings are looking great so far. Now we're going to draw a very small straight line going downwards from the right side of that wavy line. Great job! For the final step, we are going to draw a curvy line in the shape that my finger is outlining. And remember that throughout this line there is going to be curves and waves. Thanks for watching Learn How to Draw Hub. I'm sure your drawings came out awesome and I can't wait to see them, so make sure to share on Instagram by using hashtag #LearnHowToDrawHub. Also, if this video helped you out, give it a big like below and stick around until the end to see what color we used for our drawing. See you next time, Learn How to Draw Hub crew!
Hey Learn How to Draw Hub crew! If you like videos like this one, then we highly recommend that you consider hitting the subscribe button so that we can keep you updated on videos like this every single day.